What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on Pinterest. But before I get into the content, welcome to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. If you're not, and if you like to look at content about making money online, creating passive income, and creating the life that you want just overall, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I'm coming out with consistent content teaching you just how to do that. All right, I'm going to be giving you the latest and greatest tactics and strategies that you can use and employ in your online business, as well as give in-depth product reviews that I use and that other people have been using, just to give you some value and give you my opinion and input on that. All right. So go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell. You don't want to miss it. All right. So let's go ahead and get into the content. All right. So Pinterest. For those of you who don't know, Pinterest is another form of social media. You have Facebook, you have Twitter, you have Snapchat, you have Instagram, and you also have Pinterest. Oh, sorry, can't forget number one, the best, YouTube. But Pinterest is one of those social media platforms that some people, especially make money online, entrepreneurs tend to overlook, right? So Pinterest was where you can come and create pins and boards with certain things you like to see. Like for me, I like men's style suits, workouts, travel, and I have a couple of more in here. But then there's pins that are related to the topics that I want to see, right? So you have healthy, you have some workout stuff, you have some children's stuff because I am a stepdad, some more workout stuff. Let's see, there should be some men fashion things here. Is um, men no calluses. Let's see, there should be some men, yep, so some men styles here. So it's just a bunch of things that you can come onto Pinterest and just post and get, content ideas and just get product ideas from other people out there and just share what you already know. So if you're already on Pinterest or if you already like to share what you know, why not make money while you do it, right? So I'm going to show you how to do that, right? It's just a couple of simple steps, but keep in mind, you have to take action and you have to be consistent. Okay. If you want to know more details step by step on how to make money online with multiple streams of income, check out the first link in the description. And that will show you everything you need to know and give you a done for you systems that you can start making money as soon as this week. Okay. As long as you take action and be consistent, always keep that in your head if you want to be successful in this online making money online niche, or just in general. If you take action and you be consistent, you'll be fine. Okay. So Pinterest, once you come here, you have to make a Pinterest account. So once you make your Pinterest account, they'll prompt you through, what are you interested in? Some of the topics that you like to see, so they know what to show you when you log on to Pinterest, right? But what you do is once you've done that, you want to start thinking about what kind of content and posts that you want to put out there, right? So this homepage here is what everybody else is putting out there, but what kind of stuff do you want to put out there? Excuse me. Do you want to put out there a fitness post, grooming post, healthy eating post? What do you want to do? Music post? What is it? Is it woodworking? Is it fashion? Is it sports? Is it a particular relationship base? Is it weddings? What is it that you want to create a Pinterest account around? Okay. And once you find that, I suggest that you go to one of the affiliate networks. Okay. The affiliate network marketplaces. You have ClickBank, you have JVZoo, you have some others, but the ClickBank and JVZoo are one of the most important. And if you check my link down in the description, that's another way, another product that you can promote as an affiliate on Pinterest. It's all about making money online. That product is. So check that out if you want to. But let's say you are in woodworking, right? So what you do is you come on ClickBank. I'm gonna log into my one of my new accounts here just to show you how to do this. So you make an account with ClickBank. You want to come to Marketplace, right? Marketplace gives you everything that you need. Make sure, I hope you guys can see me here. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe. The marketplace gives you all the different categories that you can pick and be involved in, and pick products that you can promote to audiences and get paid a commission to. So let's stick with fitness, right? We see here on Pinterest, we see a lot of fitness posts, healthy living posts, fitness, exercise, fitness. So fitness, it's a lot of fitness. So fitness is very a competitive market, but that does not mean you cannot get into that space. You just have to find a way where you're different, put your own spin to it, and own twist to it, to offer value, to still offer value to people so that they can come to you. So let's stick with fitness and go to ClickBank, and we're going to choose the category health and fitness, right? And then we're going to sort by gravity, just to see. Gravity says how often has this offer sold in the market, right? So Flat Belly Fix looks like the #1 product right now that is selling on ClickBank. What we're going to do is say, all right, here's a product. We're going to look at well, let's pick the red. No, let's pick Fat Disseminator. Okay, we're going to look at the sales page, and then we're also going to open the affiliate page. So the affiliate page has all the tools that you can use as an affiliate, like banners, pictures, photos, email swipes, etc. Right? So here's the sales page, right? And then this is what the person that clicks your link from Pinterest will go to. Okay, so let's go to the affiliate page and see if we can get some help with some pictures, something that we can post. Okay, so this offer here is really not that good. So let's try another one. Sorry if you can hear my fiance in the background. Okay, here we go. The man breast solution. So this is, of course, a product or a booklet that talks about how to get the man's chest tighter and firm, so it's not like men breast or whatnot. So this is a product that a lot of men might want, right? So what we can do is we can take this picture here, this picture of this book, right? I will right click on it, save image as, and we can post it to Pinterest, right? So once we have your Pinterest account, you go to your profile, and then you click the plus button, and then you can create a board or you can create a pin. So I create a pin, and then you can upload that photo that you just saved, right? And then you save it, and then you add the URL. Okay, so in this video, I'm teaching you how to make money online on Pinterest without a website or blog. All right, so here's where the without the website or blog part comes in. Well, when this add the URL this pin links to, what you would do is, if we choose this specific product, the Critical Bench, the hip flexors, right? What we're going to do is hit promote. If we're in ClickBank, we're going to generate hop links, and we're going to copy this link, right? This is the affiliate link. So if someone views our pin on Pinterest, clicks this link, it will take them to the affiliate page for them to purchase the product if they want to. All right. So we're going to take that link and we're going to post it here. Paste. Boom. Done. Choose a board, workout routine. So you already have to have a board created. That's tied to you. So you can just create a board, or you can choose one that you already have. If I choose workout routines, bam, done. And that's it. And then save, pin it. That's it. And what happens is, when someone's looking for exercise things, or maybe men chest things, right? They'll see your post and say, oh, this looks like a great product. I'm having problems with tightening my chest up as a male. Maybe this is Offer Solutions. So they'll click that link. Let me just go to the homepage, because I didn't post anything. I didn't really want to post. So let's see what this one is. They'll see this here. They'll see the photo. You'll write a spiel about, do you have problems tightening your chest, or having problems with men breast or whatnot? Check this product out, or check my website out to show how you can solve your problem. And what they'll do is they can go to the site. So we'll click this link and open in a new tab, and then boom, here it is. So this particular post went to an article. And so this is someone using the website, then posted affiliate links in the website. They're offering value, value, value. So you can do that. But if you want to not go that route, what you can do is when you put that link in, they'll go straight to the product page, and the product page will go ahead and give them value and teach them what they need to know to solve their problem, and then lead them to the product, right? It'll do all the work for you. Okay, so that's how you make money on Pinterest, guys. Oh, and by the way, if you do want to sign up, get your own blog or your own website, I suggest doing Wix.com. Wix is a very good, it's free platform where you can use to build your blog or build your website. There are some premium options that you can upgrade to get more tools and more features for your blog or website. But you can just start with a free Wix.com website. All you have to pay for is your domain and any other additional products that you need to build your website the way you want to. You might have to pay for some themes also. But Wix is a great website. You can do that. But like I said, in this video, we're focusing on making money on Pinterest without a website or a blog. And this is the best way to do it. Okay. Sign up for Pinterest, pick your boards and topics, pick the product, pick a good picture to put on Pinterest. And then in your pin, you will link it directly. You will link it using that affiliate link that you generated, that hop link you generated from ClickBank or from JV, Zoo, etc. Okay. So hopefully that wasn't too complicated. Very easy, very simple. You have to do this daily. It's not something you can do just one time and let it just be done. No, do it daily. Offer consistent content on Pinterest. Post multiple pins that are tied directly to that one offer. Because the more you put traffic and content in front of an audience, the more chances you are to get traction and get leads and get sales. Okay. So I hope this video offered you some value, guys. If it did, go ahead and like this video and comment below if you're using Pinterest to make money online. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm coming out with consistent content just like this video today that I hope you enjoyed and got a lot from it. All right. Kalen Bryant out. And don't forget to check the link out in the system if you want to learn in detail, step by step, how to make generate consistent income, making at least $10,000 a month, guys. I'm telling you, it's free to check it out. Just go ahead to the first link in the description, okay? And don't forget, subscribe. I'm going to keep saying that. Subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, thanks for being committed to me. I love you guys. Peace.